Well, here's my 6-tube radio that I built. This is just a breadboard, but that's it. Put the lighting on here. Plug it in. Plug in the speaker. This is a breadboard, so it has all kinds of capabilities, different voltages, power taps. I could change tubes, change the wiring on top, so you don't have to really solder all that much. Anyways, it's a 6-tube radio, so it takes a little time to warm up. And when the indicator bulb there gets bright, that means that the resistance is dropping in the tube heaters as they heat up. And that's how you know the radio is ready to go. There it goes. So it tunes pretty good, except since I'm in the basement, I got to give it a little help. And because it's a breadboard,
not available in
it needs a ground. So this is WIND, which normally doesn't come in there.
Fresh Healthy Vending, the #1 healthy vending franchise in North America, is growing fast, and we're looking for people right here in the local area to become Fresh Healthy.
I got to connect up to that speaker there, which is just a little play school speaker, but typical of the 1940s and 50s, or 50s and 60s, I should say.
ReadyForFresh.com and enter code 5000. That's ReadyForFresh.com, code 5000. Here's some great news. Jack Devoto of Devoto & Associates can help you with your retirement game plan.
And because it's a breadboard, there's no radio frequency field shields or RF shields. You kind of got to be cool, because when you grab the wires, it'll squeal at you. That's why I have tin foil over these coils here, but that's WIND, so that's pretty damn good.
Right. It's a party climate. Yeah, I guess, yeah. At nighttime, I mean, are people still hanging out on the beach, or do they clear those out at some point, or
well,
what?
they worked at a club, and I guess they just stay at the club till, like, with the, the club guys and stuff until, like, 9 or 10 in the morning, and then they go have...
So this thing tunes really well. It's a super sharp tuner. And the next step now is to add a tone control and a couple more circuits to make it tune even better. So I'm going to shut this down now so it doesn't take up too much space on my hard drive.